Второй класс, английский язык, Звездный английский. Спасибо. Домашнее задание, страница 12-13. English. Starlight 2. Thank you. Homework, page number 12-13. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. I am afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. I am afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. It's terrible. Don't be silly. It's terrible. Don't be silly. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 12, 12. Exercise number 1. Сыграйте в игру «Спасибо». Thank you. Thank you. Leah, here you are. You're welcome. Leah, here you are. Thank you. You're welcome. Maxim, here you are. Thank you. You're welcome. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Повтори звуки и слова за диктором и покажи соответствующие им картинки. О. О. Home. О. Frog. О. Home. О. Frog. Boys and girls, do exercise number 3. Прочитай слова вслух своим одноклассникам. О. Home. Bone. Rose. Go. Ghost. Rope. Nose. No. Tony. О. Frog. Dog. Stop. Hot. Got. On. Donna. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Закрась те поля рисунка, где есть слова со звуком «оу». Прочитай, что у тебя получилось. Найди и произнеси слова со звуком «оу», запиши их в тетрадь. What shape do the O sound words make? The answer: nose, go, rope, bone, no, a home. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 13, 13. Exercise number 5. Повтори звуки и слова за диктором и покажи соответствующие им картинки. U. Pupil. A. Nut. Pupil. Nut. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 6. Прочитай слова вслух своим одноклассникам. U. Pupil. Cute. Computer. Use. Student. Music. A. Nut. But. Drum. Sun. Fun. sun, run, bus, cup, jump, puppy, rubber, Russia. You, my computer, on my computer, play on my computer. I like to play on my computer. A puppy, a funny puppy. Run, funny puppy. Run home, funny puppy. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 7. Закончи слова, выбрав необходимые буквы. Прочитай слова вслух своим одноклассникам. Запиши слова в тетрадь, выбрав необходимые буквы. Прочитай слова вслух своим одноклассникам. The answer. Cute, nose, hen, milk, cake, run, he, high, frog, is, she, sister, kite, pen, sun, baby, 5, cat, black, use, hat, teddy, snake, fly. My dear friends, do exercise number 8. Прослушай песенку и спой ее. Go home, funny frog. Go home. Go home, funny frog. Go home. Hop and hop. And don't you stop. Go home, funny frog. Go home. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.